Hello, hi, it's Liz here. Are you ready for some WhatNot time? Yep, super quick, super easy, just perfect for a wee 10-minute make. We've already done butterflies and we have done stamped flowers. So today we are going to do birds. Butterflies, flowers, and now birds. And again, a little punch, 2-inch punch, just an odd scrap piece of paper, a little ticket, a little faux postage stamp, and a bird popped out from 49 in Market. I don't know which collection it is. I think it's called Something to Do with Nature. Well, it's not called Something to Do with Nature. The name oh, excuse me, is nature inspired. I think it's like botanical nature, or I'm not sure what it's called. I'm a terrible one. Throwaway packaging. Never quite remember what I think about there. So yeah, so 3 little elements onto the little 2-inch circle punched out, and then we'll add a word. So super easy. So that's 3 weeks done of super easy. Why not next week we take it up a little notch and we do something same size, same quickness, but we'll just maybe, and again I've got my little circle. This time we will put this stamp, yeah, we'll just do the same, the ticket long ways. Yes, let's take it up a notch next month, not next month, next week, and do something maybe a little bit more messy, or a little bit, just a little bit more arty or crafty. Maybe some texture paste, maybe some stenciling, all on a little mini WhatNot. That's very cute, isn't it? They're both cute. Oh. And then this one's facing the other way, so we're going to put the ticket up and down the way. I'm going to do a wee vertical ticket. So yeah, let's oh, excuse me, I've got a wee glass of juice here and I'm just going to a wee tickle today. I'm hoping it's just a wee tickle and not the start of something of a bigger tickle. Oh dear, I hope not. Oh, excuse me. Right, lovely. So here we have our 3 little birds. I need to swap them round because I need them to be facing a certain way. I will leave the glue out because sometimes these words don't stick. This is chit chat, and I think the good words are here, because what you get, although it's quite handy, I don't really use the, you know, the know now of, our, you, me kind of thing. I just like words that stand alone. I know they're for making up sentences and things, but anyway. Oh, there's a delight falling off. Will we use the craft ones or will we use the white ones? I think we'll put white. What have we had before? Oh, we've had one of each. We've had white and craft. Let's do the white ones. I think peace is nice on a bird. Let's put peace there. That's nice. And wishful. Why not? Let's put wishful there. Not quite straight. And it needs a little bit of glue. There we are. And what about smile? Because these seabirds in the garden makes you smile. So yeah, what will we do? I think we might add a little bit of texture. I know sometimes it's a big decision. Even on a WhatNot, it's a big decision about where to put things. Okay, so now I've only got 2 each of these. I think I must have used, I've used 2 already, 1 of each, so that's quite good. There we are. Peace, wishful and smile. And what am I at? Oh, I'm at 6 minutes something, so under 10 minutes. Now, okay, I've prepped all these, but it wouldn't take you long to punch out 3 circles or however many you want to make and gather a wee ticket or a wee bit of book page or whatever it is you've got and a little focal point, and then you can either print out a word or type out a word or stamp a word if you don't have those stickers. Yeah, so there we go. 3 more to the pile, and yeah, next week maybe we'll do something a little bit more crafty or arty or mixed media on a very small quick scale. We'll see. Well, thanks for joining me today, and if you've enjoyed the video, a thumbs up would be great, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.